what's going on YouTube? This is Alex and today I'll show you how to replace spark plugs on Ford Mustang EcoBoost 2.3 turbocharged engine. It's pretty straightforward procedure. Everything you'll need, it's a 10mm socket, 8mm socket, 16mm for the spark plugs. Also you can use 5/8 and some extensions. Let's proceed. I'm using Ford Motorcraft genuine parts. It's spark plugs. Just don't go cheap. Cheap is usually expensive in the long term. All the links you'll find in the description below. First of all, you have to remove this cover. It's two 8mm bolts. And two 10mm nuts. We have 4 spark plugs in total because it's 4-cylinder, obviously. First of all, we have to remove every connector, then remove all the bolts, take off ignition coils, and replace spark plugs. Okay, you just slide those. Maybe it's easier using screwdriver or pick tool. Okay. Okay, let me grab a screwdriver. There are 2 plastic clips holding the harness. Next thing is to remove those 8mm bolts and nuts. Oh, actually those are all bolts. Don't lose them. Okay, now we can remove the spark plugs. Okay. In order to get old spark plugs, you can use a magnet or ignition coil. Also, you can buy a special spark plug socket. That magnet works just fine. This is the first one. Second, third, fourth. Those are genuine. The car has 80,000 miles and most likely those are original. They've never been replaced. I carefully drop those down. And start them with hand. Nope, this one didn't work. There you go. Okay, success. And this one is good. Okay, that's it. good. Now I'll use electric tool to speed up the process. Don't go crazy. That's it. Oops. Got it. We do everything in reverse. Oops. Make sure the wires are not on the way. It's time to put the connectors back. Slide this one first all the way. You'll hear a click, then this one. You can double check so everything is in place. And the last one. You can try to start the car before putting the cover back just in case, so you don't have to remove it again. But I know I've done everything right. I'll put it and then start the car. Very straightforward. What do you think? Leave me a comment. That helps a lot.